Tata, truck, pickup, Tata pickup. Also, that 23 lakhs of rupees spent already.
So why are you like this?
I liking because everybody, whereas
You
I
carry this, but they don't get any job.
no, I tell
Are
you
you doing this for job or?
only for the advertise of Bharatiya Janata Party. This is the graceful for me. Everybody know me. Television, video, everywhere, dealing.
Ask another question.
टेलीविजन में देता है, वीडियो में होता है, सब मोबाइल में हमारा स्पीकिंग किया है.
You are very good speaker. I mean, you can speak English very properly. So you should be viral in social media. So
Yeah,
if you
social
be-
media
If you be viral in social media, how you feel? Your excitement and all of that.
I don't know how to get their response from me. So many talking when the time I speaking, the video service to video to television stations all over the world. My news is passing. For this matter, I am very grateful.
Being in 9th class in this class is very difficult to speak English like this. Even I.
And when the time, I am surely available towards New Delhi. From New Delhi, Narendra Modi, Damodar Modi, Amit Shah, and Rajnath Singh is my bosom friend. I get the order from Karimganj to New Delhi, kindly fight towards Islamabad. Already there are 3 days has been planning, fight chalo. And after China and Nepal, we are ready for attack.
So where are you going?
Now,
Where are you?
Dharmanagar. After Dharmanagar,
So
And-
you have a home there. Means where are you staying actually?
nearby Dharmanagar station, eastern side of this area, I have a plot of land.
Tunggu.
Nearby station, I have a plot of land.
Sorry, khada.
Land there. Nearby.
Chai, coffee.
আরে হ্যাঁ না একজন একটা বেড়া খুব সুন্দর ইংলিশ করে
Chai, coffee.
ছুরিয়ে
দুটা কবি, তিনটা কবি। Now where is to where you are going now?
Oh, we came from Agartala. We are traveling to Ambassa. We just came across.
Thank you. Kindly read grammar thoroughly.
Yeah, sure. You should use English in everywhere.
Yeah.
You should make others peoples. Those did not get proper educations. You should give them some
Yeah.
opportunities. What say? Yeah, some like motivational.
Okay. Thank you.
You should be strong to work for others in future. So
Yes.
always be strong and be happy.
Okay. You are accompanying me. Okay?
We'll end up the cook. We'll end up.
Tunnel.
Wow.
Because you can very good, very well you can speak in English. And your grammar is also good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much from me. Up to 9,
Up to 9 and 1962.
63.
63. Very good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.